Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and preparing the phone. First, back up photos and contacts to cloud or SD so nothing is lost. Once done, charge the battery above 50% and enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. This gives access to USB debugging. Make sure you know the exact Itel model from settings about phone because methods vary. Finally, connect the phone to a PC with ADB installed so you can run the removal commands in the next step. You now access the system via ADB to remove the lock. First run a DB devices to confirm connection, then a DB shell to get a command prompt. Navigate to /data/misc/Wifi or /data/Wifi and list files with LSL to find lock-related files. These often include lock or DB files. Use RM to delete or MV to rename them so you can restore if needed. After changing files, stop and start the Wi-Fi service, or reboot the phone to let the system recreate. You finish by rebooting and testing connectivity. After the file edits, reboot the phone and enable Wi-Fi, then connect to a known network to confirm removal. If the lock returns, clear the Wi-Fi system app data in Settings apps or repeat the ADB removal because cached entries can restore locks. Make sure to test multiple reboots. If nothing works, consider a factory reset as a last resort, but only after backing up everything. This removes persistent software locks, but will erase user data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.